Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the video, you know what I'm saying? And due to a generous gift, you know, that I received, y'all was able to enjoy some of that beautiful, beautiful B-roll in the beginning of this video, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit the like button because I'm continuously making the videos better, making the quality better, and, you know, trying to just improve all around. So, you know, make sure you hit the like button for that. Subscribe if you're new to the channel because we're giving a giveaway. We're doing a giveaway at 1,500 subs, so we almost there. Keep hitting that subscribe button, man. And, you know, yeah, we're gonna be doing the Cash App giveaway. So just because I know y'all enjoyed that footage so much in the beginning, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some more right now, man. Well, y'all, the drone footage got cut short, you know what I'm saying? It ran out of battery, so I had to run over there and get it. But yeah, man, so we'll be looking forward to more high quality footage, more cinematic footage, you know what I'm saying, coming with this drone, you know what I'm saying? Great gift, you know, very appreciated. And we're gonna put it to use on the channel, you know what I'm saying? But I'm walking back over here to the car right now. It's cold as fuck. It's colder than I expected. Maybe just because I'm over here by the water. But I hope y'all can hear me while the wind blowing and shit, man. But day 2 Vlogmas, man. Stay tuned. A lot more shit coming to the channel. You know what I'm saying? During this month. Like I said, man, I'm trying to make this shit as entertaining as possible for y'all, man. So stay tuned into your boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna holler at y'all in a couple minutes when I get back to the whip. Alright, y'all, so now it is officially nighttime. We are at the car wash. I'm finna wash the Durango because I'm finna do a little bit of work on it tomorrow. And I need it to be prepped and washed before I get started on it tomorrow. And what else did I want to tell y'all? I wanted to tell y'all something else. Damn it, I forgot. I forgot what I was gonna tell y'all, but I guess I'm just gonna get out and show y'all what I'm talking about. As y'all know, this is a 20-year-old car, so it does have a little rust on it. So basically what we're gonna do tomorrow is start repairing the rust so we can fix you know, fix the rust and fix some of the spots that's rusted out and repair that and you know, get that fixed. So if you can tell right here up under the door, you know what I'm saying, you see a little bit of that. You see that. You see what's going on under there, man. So it's kind of mad. It's kind of bad, but it's not too bad. You know what I'm saying? It's not unfixable. So y'all know me, y'all know I'm gonna be able to get in there and fix it. Also, let's see. Over here, the back door. I think it's pretty much, you know, on all the doors. And then like over here, y'all can see a little bit of rust, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of rust out, but we're gonna fix that up. We're gonna get it together though. So basically what I'm about to do right now is just go ahead and wash it. Go ahead and wash it, get it clean. And then tomorrow, I'll probably lift it up and start spraying it with the rust neutralizer. So all the rust could get neutralized and it won't return, you know what I'm saying, during the winter with all the salt and all that shit. I'm gonna make sure I keep this thing clean to prevent any of that. So I'm gonna just walk around and show y'all the other side real quick. But this is what it's looking like right now. Pretty dirty. And if y'all don't know, you know, I'm in Michigan and it did just snow a couple days ago, so that's what's going on. Y'all can see we got a little rust right there. We're gonna fix all of this shit. All of this shit is gonna get fixed. You know what I'm saying? That's just the consequence of having a 20-year-old car, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna come with a little rust. But like I said, it's much better than a lot of the Durangos I done seen. So it's gonna be not that hard to fix this, man, and we're gonna get it together so it's all the way right, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what it's looking like right now, man. I probably been fucked up by coming up here to wash this in my good coat. I probably shouldn't have wore the good coat, you know what I'm saying? The good outfit to fix it. I mean to wash it, but I'm gonna try not to get my shit dirty. So, damn it. I shouldn't have wore this coat to do this, man. But fuck it. Let's go ahead and, man, get this car clean, you know what I'm saying? So we can get the fuck up out of here. But I want y'all to guess how many times I say, you know what I'm saying, in the video. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That might be a new catchphrase right there, you know? Just me talking and trying to keep the flow of talking and making sure that I'm talking about all the shit that I want y'all to know. So in the midst of that, every now and then I'll just say, you know what I'm saying? Just to keep me on track of what I be saying. So without further ado, man, I'm about to stop talking to y'all, man. We about to get this motherfucker cleaned up, man. Got the car all clean, man. The doorways is clean. Hopefully y'all can see me. Doorways is clean. As you can see over here, you know, everything's clean. I forgot I actually don't have no microfiber cloths in this car, so I can't wipe it down, but it's nice and clean though, you know. Nice and clean and ready for tomorrow. Nice, clean, all prepped up, ready to go. Let's get up in the whip. Cause you know what I'm saying, they got music and shit going on. I ain't trying to get copyrighted, so yeah, man. I think that's pretty much the end of the video. I know it's kind of a short one today, sorry y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely gonna have more entertaining content coming, more footage coming. Make sure you hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We definitely got the quality of the videos going up and increasing. I got some more stuff on the way too. And you know, I'm gonna just keep working and keep grinding and keep bringing y'all these videos, man. Doing the best that I can and trying to continuously grow, you know? So, yeah, man, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. We are doing a giveaway at 1,500 subs. We are almost there. You don't want to miss this Cash App giveaway, so make sure you're hitting the subscribe button, man. Yeah, and tomorrow I'll be looking out for another video on Vlogmas, and I might drop 2 videos tomorrow, so stay tuned. You never know. But yeah, man, I'm about to get up out of here, man. Just like that, we out.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.